how to fix Messenger connecting problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can fix Messenger connecting issues, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Maybe you just started a video chat or an audio chat, but it gets stuck on reconnecting or connecting problem, or you're having the issue within the application itself. Now for this, there are a couple of things you have to understand. If it says that, you first of all want to simply check your internet connection. That is the most important thing to understand. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular. If you're using cellular, try to switch to Wi-Fi to see if that helps you solve your problem. If it doesn't, then what you want to do is just go ahead and then basically long press the Messenger app icon here, then tap the app info option. Once you tap the app info option, first of all scroll down to storage, clear cache, also make sure to clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, come up to the permissions tab here. As you can see, once you come to permissions, make sure you've allowed the camera permissions here, which is to allow while using the app, and also make sure that you've allowed the microphone access, because even if you're on a video call with someone and the Messenger app doesn't have access to your camera or microphone, it will get stuck in the connecting tab, so just keep that thing in mind. After that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in Messenger. Check if the Messenger app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.